Next week will be relatively quiet on the economic front, but we'll get earnings reports from banks like JPMorgan and Wells Fargo, as well as retailers like Bed Bath & Beyond. I'm here with RealMoney Pro contributor Chris Versace. Chris, what are the big reports to watch next week?
Well, Brittany, you hit the nail on the head that it's going to be rather slow compared to this past week in terms of economic data. The one to watch will be the FOMC minutes. Other than that, it's the regular weekly stuff. So for me, it's going to be more about the earnings reports that are going to start to trickle in for the March quarter.
Now, the banks especially can give us clues about market direction. So when we get these reports, in order to gauge what they mean for our markets, what will be the key elements of them to zero in on?
Well, of course, it's going to be, whether or not the companies are meeting or beating expectations for the March quarter. But you have to remember, Brittany, that when we got earnings in January and February, more companies than not were issuing negative guidance. So when I look at the market and I look at the expectations for S&P 500 earnings this year, we've got to see that reverse. We need more companies with more positive guidance. And in particular, I'll be looking at Alcoa. We're getting signs that the economy is picking up after January, February. Alcoa will give us a sign in its guidance.
All right, so watch Alcoa's report next week. Thanks so much, RealMoney Pro contributor Chris Versace. I'm Brittany Umar for The Street.